Let's make our eggplant and potato curry. 4 tablespoons of oil, heat it and add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the seeds are fragrant, add a cup of sliced onions or a cup of chopped onions, any way you like it. I like to add sliced onions. So once onions are cooked down and they are translucent, I will add ginger garlic paste. You can also add fresh ginger and fresh garlic, chopped up, minced up. I usually make a big batch of ginger garlic paste and then I use it whenever I need it. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of chopped tomatoes, and you can see I am using canned tomatoes here. You can also use fresh tomatoes. A reminder, please like and subscribe. Now these tomatoes and onions have cooked down, and I will start adding my ground spices: coriander powder, turmeric powder, and paprika. I like to add paprika because I don't like any heat in my curries, but if you like, you can add chili pepper, or you can also add fresh green chilies. They actually taste quite good, but too hot for me. Here I'm going to add my eggplants. I cut eggplant into 1.5 inch cubes, and I'm using the large eggplant today. I have also used Japanese eggplant with quite great success. Here I'm adding potatoes cut into 1 inch cubes and 1 cup of peas. Salt according to taste. I am going to add 1 teaspoon. That should be plenty for me. Now we will mix everything. This step is quite important. We want to make sure all the vegetables are covered in the spice mix. Once you cook eggplant, the pieces are very soft. It's very hard to stir it. So I'm going to make sure that all the eggplant pieces are covered in spices. I think this looks good. I'll add some water, 1/4 cup water. We don't want to add too much water because eggplant has a lot of moisture, and once it cooks under pressure, it will release some water. So I'm going to cook it on high pressure cook for 5 minutes. And as soon as the timer is done, I'm going to remove the lid and very gently stir it to make sure I have enough sauce, which it looks like I do have enough sauce. And here your creamy eggplant and potato curry is ready. Let me dish it out. It smells very good. Potatoes are tender and eggplant is creamy, just the way we want it. The next step is garnish. I will garnish it with some garam masala for that Indian flavor, and with some sesame seeds for a nice crunch. This dish can be eaten as stew with a piece of nice crusty bread, or as part of your Indian meal with rice, chapati or rotis. Trust me, try it, you will love it.